Yeah. Fucking inch and a half of fucking oil in the bottom of the smoker, right? And it just ignited like petrol. Unbelievable. There wasn't much left of the, the blubber, because it was about that thick and it was down to about that by the time I opened it. I put the lid back on and just blew the flames out. Well, that don't work. Yeah, never give it a thought they used to use it.
Yeah, when you consider that used to be easy in again. What was that on the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, they used to use it for the old street lights.
Yeah,
Like that.
Did they barrel it? Did they used to boil it up then?
Yeah, used to boil it and barrel it.
Barrel it, yeah.
There used to be a, where you are, where you're staying, there used to be a whaling place there.
Really?
Yeah, there is a big tank still there, but they use it for hanging and washing, drying the salmon farm there.
Oh, right.
Just,
Do you get, so what about the king whales and stuff? You see them?
yeah, we had them 3 days ago.
Really?
About 10, 15 of them between us and the other boat.
Do you get big shoals of herring?
You used to in the winter,
Right.
when I first came here. But they was here because of the herring. You don't get, not like it used to be. It moved north.
Ah, he's lost. He's off.
Yeah, you could. It'd be like cities out here with the big fishing boats and that.
Lost him.
But it's gone off at Chomston now.
You lost it, Steve?
Yeah. Oh no.
Come back.
Something's still there. I think I've lost the other one. I've got probably another one on another.
Yeah, that was something grabbed it.
Yeah.
Big colour there.
Oh yeah. Must have had one on the bottom of it.
Yeah.
So the halibut we had it the other day took one about that size.
Cheers. Yeah, right on the bottom now.
We're coming up the bank. We're 88 metres now.
First one.
And Darren?
You know, he got off. Halfway down.
Yeah.
On the way down.
Right on the bottom now. But it's only shallow here. Well, it's only shallow, it's about 80 metres. It's a small one. This is another one of them redfish. Got one down?
Yeah, like first one. Well, I had the one before and then it got off and then went straight back to the same place.
He's got one. He ain't landed it yet,
It
no.
ain't in the bag. It might be Alan's one.
Try and see if you can cross over. What money row or under? Got one, yeah, that's perfect. Thank you.
My line.
Yeah, one's self-released.
One got off?
Yeah.
Who's got yours? It don't? Nah. Did you get Darren? My line.
got to reel up, Chris, in a minute and drop back down again.
You're in the bottom, I think. You might be in the bottom, so come up a bit.
Sorry, mate.
Oh, I did catch one then.
Thought so.
Snap.
What do I have? Two?
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell, isn't it like buses, isn't it? Don't like that.
Darren?
Yeah, we almost like
Two in one
mad,
go.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Two, isn't it?
But that was hard bringing that up.
Well, he's untangling. That's me. Me off. I think you're off, Chris.
I'm off there.
They both goldfish, Darren.
Yeah.
Blue. Red, that's 30.
They cook that really high.
30. Bloody hell. It's deep, isn't it? this weather normally this good?
It varies. We've had some really good weather this year. Well, this since May.
Yeah.
Been really good and a few blows. But when it rains for 24, 36 hours non-stop.
Yeah. When you say that, I was surprised because all the snow up there still, isn't it?
Yeah, we didn't have much snow this year.
I didn't. I was on the plane and I was speaking to a lady. She said south, where they had a load of snow.
Yeah, they did.
And she said, where it's more north, they didn't get so much or something.
No, if it goes northwesterly, then we get a lot of snow. But we didn't get much this year. Sometimes I don't see my garden until middle of May. But this year it was...
Oh, snowing. Do the plants grow quicker? What I mean is, you've got more sunlight, so the plants, you know, they're sitting in daylight all the time, isn't it?
Yeah, they grow quick, and you're forever cutting the grass.
Yeah, yeah.
And then, you know, maybe, I suppose it starts getting a bit dark for 1 or 2 hours in August, mid-August, and it gradually catches up with the UK.
Oh, does it? Yeah. So in the winter it is dark still.
We've got 4 hours of semi-daylight.
Oh right, and that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, and if it's raining or snowy and that, you might not see the sun for 3 months.
Really?
If it's that bad. It's 1 month without the sun.
Yeah.
But if it's bad weather all the time, then you don't see it. And it can be quite not dark, but it's, you know, bad weather. It's pretty.
Yeah, she
pretty
showed
dark.
me some pictures of the older forest.
Oh, they've been great this year, last year.
Yeah, she showed me all the photos.
Yeah, I've got some pictures of that on the camera where I was crabbing. It's unbelievable. Yeah, it's been very good. But then, apparently, they was on the south coast and that, so my friends tell me.
Yeah.
Cod. He's got a codling.
Cod.
Cod?
Get a cod. I've got to sit like this on here. My bloody nose is on the corner. My bloody nose. No, I'm mucking around. I'm sitting like this because I keep punching my knee. Don't hurt, it's just comfier.
Yeah.
I won't fall over, don't worry. Watch it. It's not that
Mate,
cold.
Joel, to get back in.
Yeah.
They're on the other
They'll be
boat.
pushing me away. They're so quite drunk as
You
stuff.
might be sitting on the bottom. Go down a bit lower. Oh, yeah. See that?
Go back.
Yeah, if you don't want
Will he go back just like that?
to try it. Going up.
Yeah, he's
Brilliant.
It's
going
funny
down.
because they can lay on the surface and look good and they'll just be dumb until you tap them.
He had a smaller one
And then
yesterday.
they wake up and go.
Yeah,
They seem to
and
be in a sort of state of shock. Anything else dies to the body.
It's one bigger brother now, isn't it? But even had a nice one last night from where we played.
Yeah, that's not a bad one for summer. I haven't heard of any cod being caught either. Could go right down there. It takes us over an hour. Might not get anything.
Any haddock?
You want a haddock, don't you?
Any haddock?
Yeah, more cod fish.
Well, you've had a redfish.
Yeah.
You've done well, haven't you?
We ain't in the really deep water for it. Haddock, if we've had 1 or 2, we get them more down that way. More
All right.
sandy up past the islands.
Is that what I like? Sand?
Sandy's, yeah, not
Oh.
too, they don't like roughy ground. They've got a mouth like a carp.
Yeah, they're very underslung mouth, aren't they?
Yeah, and they feed on the bottom.
What's the bottom here then? Is that
It's a bit
Rock,
hard.
I'd imagine.
Hard,
Yeah.
stony.
Alright.
Always picking up bits of nets. Shit, a bit of wire the other day. I got a fishing pole. Electrical wire as well. I don't bother fishing the wreck. Most of them are too shallow, 30 metres, that sort of thing. Plenty of little underground rock. There's a couple over there. One's a whaling boat and one's a fishing boat. Only had redfish off them. There's one up behind that island, an old passenger boat. There's one wreck down there. It's flat, barren ground sort of thing. And there's a big liner cargo boat, a Polish one, it's a mine, the Second World War.
Yeah.
And it's the biggest one here, but I haven't been able to find it. It's not where it says it is.
Right.
But it is there because fishermen have caught it. And I want to try that for the pollock and lee. But it's an hour and a half to get down there in the other boat.
Yeah, and then you got to look for it.
It's 20 knots. And we didn't find it. So we used about 130 litres of petrol, caught 2 cod, and come home. But you never know. It's the same last year. We went out on what they call Egram's Bank, which is about 30 miles off. We went out there in end of April. It was flat calm. These look like little mountains. We shouldn't have been out there really. With the Coast Guard come on. We thought we was going to fill up with cod. We thought yeah, we're getting a cod in. Well, the bloody boat out there, we caught 2 cod. It's a fucking long way out. Well, in the Atlantic, right? It seems a bit weird when you're out there. If you're in if you're in the English Channel, you know, 30, 40 mile away, there's land each side of you. Over there, I think the next stop was Greenland or Iceland.
Yeah, you're expecting a little.
And you get some big whales out there. Oh, there's a haddock.
Oh, nice. Oh, I've only got a
Oh,
haddock.
he's got a haddock.
Oh, you
That's
bastard.
going to fit Steve.
Yeah, fucking bastard.
You got to get a photo of that with him.
There's the haddock. Yeah, like you say, underslung mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one.
No, one's a coley.
I think they're the best fish in the sea to eat.
Yeah.
What's that?
Haddock.
Haddock.
Oh,
Oh,
haddock.
beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's because you said, Steve.
Take a picture of him.
Oh, that's got to be done, isn't it?
Yeah, Jerry, get.
Yeah, lovely.
Huh?
Sober now.
Oh, well, of course I am now, thankfully.
You might as well go home and drink the last 5 shots out of me bottle of rum when you get home. Finish the bottle off you.
Got any pictures yet? There is a bit of bait chopped up if anybody wants it.
Alright. We'll just nick it through the...
Yeah, just hook it on, either on the gummy mac or the other one.
Just get any mackerel here.
Yeah, they're fishing for them now,
Alright.
but they're not in here yet. They normally come mid-July, August,
Alright.
but they're big stuff, up to a kilo.
Where was that at anyway?
Right near the bottom.
How far off the bottom you come up?
I'm doing enough on the bottom.
Yeah, what we're talking about, a metre off the bottom or?
Yeah, about that.
I'm saying you're not sitting bouncing off the bottom, are you?
Well, yeah, near enough. It was just sort of hitting the bottom and then going back down.
They've got battery action. Just feel it, little stinging
Yeah,
fish.
No.
they're low there.
through my fan club.
On the gummy mat.
Yeah, Darren's in.
I'm getting, do you know what? No, what I mean is, I've been wanting to touch the bottom, but I'm paranoid. I'm thinking, oh, I'm just having bad luck.
Fucking missed it. He's got some guy wants me to read deck and locking. A really old one, 1986 one. Yeah, you give up, he's there. You come back to private way.
All right there, Chris, you look as if you're struggling.
Oh, come on. Well, right on the bottom, I want to get something. I want to get an unusual fish.
Oh, chaps.
Nice pollock 2 days ago.
All right.
£15.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a cracking fish. 140 metres.
There he is.
Might be a cod.
Cod. That's a cod.
Yeah, nice one.
Nice cod.
Nice one, isn't it?
Swing it towards me.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes. Nice.
Keeper off.
Yeah, it's a keeper.
Fish that before you cut it, or? There's a nice one, isn't it? Good size one.
You bastard.
Yeah, we're in shallow water now. 2 metres. Might be shallow water.
So these are this one. Oh, there you go. Yeah. That's alright. Start from the chop.
Yeah, look this side. Get the one with yours now, you're on.
Lovely. Little seagulls having a bunch of them. They went like, oh, and they looked at me. Look at them around us. It's like an African cock, isn't it?
Fucking hell.
That was a little way up.
Stripped.
Starting to have a nice bag of fish there, boys.
Bait? Huh? Yeah, bait. Cheers. Awesome.
On the fish bait.
Oh, you jammy git.
What's that, haddock again?
Yeah.
You got Haddock?